my channel. Today I have a unit from Myfirstwig, and I love this brand because their units are affordable and also really good quality. And the one that I'm going to be showcasing is actually a signature unit by Vicki Logan. I've been following her channel for I don't even know how many years, for a long while, and I know many of you guys follow her as well. I saw this unit on their website probably like a year or so ago, and I was like, man, that looks like it's her hair. And they actually created the unit based on a style from her natural hair that she would do. But yeah, this bob is so fly. She rocked it so well, and I'm excited to see how it's gonna look on me. One of my favorite features about their branding is that they have these little travel bags. These are so cool and convenient. So I'm just gonna unzip it, take the unit out, and see what we're working with. Now this is a 10-inch yaki straight unit. Y'all know how I feel about yaki. It's gonna create a really natural look based on the length and also the texture. So this 10-inch is probably more so comparable to the length of my hair currently. So they have upgraded. They now have these little adjustable elastic bands that you can use. So I just secured that on. It does come with 2 combs on the side and 1 at the bottom. And as you can see, it is a lace front construction. It has 6 inches of deep parting space. So that's really awesome. Oh, this hair feels so good. This definitely feels like my hair. And the knots have also been bleached, so you're not gonna have to worry about that. Let's put it on and see. Now, usually you can tell how bomb a unit is gonna be by how it looks when you first put it on without having to cut the lace off. And as you can see, the lace on this one is also transparent. I talked about that in a previous video, just how beneficial that is. And I may end up taking this stocking cap off because it doesn't look like this one is gonna work with this unit. It looks like it's a little too light. But we're gonna play around with the stocking cap to see what we can do. But look at that bob though. And I love that it's asymmetrical. So it's shorter on this side than on this side. The parting is done on the side that I don't typically wear my hair on. So that's gonna be interesting. Let me see. Oh, yes, look. So if you see the length, the longest length on this side, I believe it looks kind of like it's the same as this side. So I could probably shift the part on the side that I generally wear it on and it'd be good. Because I think the longest length appears to be on, yeah, it appears to be in the middle. So we should be able to shift the part and be okay. So as you can see, the hairline has been pre-plucked. I'm not gonna do anything to this hairline, like nothing at all. Let me put it on the mannequin head so y'all can see a little better. All right, so as you can see, it's been pre-plucked very well. So if you wanted to actually put that in a ponytail, that's gonna look really good. Both sides look awesome. Now I'm gonna turn it over to tint the lace, and I'm gonna do so using the Sally Hansen Airbrush spray.
What?
Now that I've cut the lace off and everything, I'm gonna work on installing the unit. One thing I will say about the lace on this unit is not only is it transparent, but I also love that it's really thin. So it's really gonna melt into your skin so much better than a unit that has lace that's thicker. Thinner lace is gonna give you a really nice melted look and also cause the hair to look like it's growing out of your scalp so much more. Like, look at that. It looks like it's mine. Now, I do think that what I'm gonna do is actually, yeah, that looks good. I'm gonna try to actually lay this unit down right in front of my hairline rather than on my edges this time. I do have more coverage with this unit. Like, look at that. Now, I do lose some of my forehead, but I think it's still gonna look great. This unit is in a size medium, and y'all, it fits so good. Like, look at that. This lace is great. Now, if you're someone who doesn't have a low hairline, you will be able to pull it back so much further and not have to worry about it being pulled forward so much. Sometimes what I find that I have to do is after I've laid down the sides that I have to go in and add more Got2b glue here. So I may just start by adding the Got2b glue in this area where I know I'm gonna need it now, and then pulling the unit back. I think that's gonna help me. Now I do have some areas that actually need more Got2b glue because I missed those when I moved it forward. So I'm just gonna go in taking the end of my rat tail comb. This is small enough for you to be able to get into that small area. So I'm using the tip of the rat tail comb. Y'all, this lace is so impressive. Like, look at that. You don't even have to do a whole lot. You need to clean up this area along the edges. And I'm just kind of dabbing it with a little bit of water to clean up. And then I'm gonna go in with some foundation. Just right at the edge, just to make sure it's blended really nicely. So this is the color foundation I'm gonna use. It's a foundation stick by Radiance. And I don't have the top with the color, but just use whatever color is your foundation color in this area. Now I'm gonna flatten out the top because it does look how bulky that looks. And that's only because I shifted it. If I had left a part on the other side, it wouldn't look like that. And y'all, deep glow in that Sally Hansen airbrush spray is definitely my color now. Medium glow is too light. This looks so good. I can't even believe this. Now this is one of those looks that would absolutely have people confused. It does not look like a wig at all. It's crazy how good that looks. You don't even see the lace at all. Great day. They did a good job with this unit. Stylist did a phenomenal job. Let me turn around. So this is what it looks like from the right side. And I love that it's versatile in that I can shift the part. So I didn't have to keep it on the side that it was pre-styled with. You can actually shift it and the integrity of the cut is still intact. That looks great. This might be a full lace. I thought it was just a lace front. Oh yeah. This is a full lace, y'all. I thought I got a lace front. So you get tons of parting. Y'all, I love how this hair turned out. I am really blown away. My edges are snatched. Like, it looks so real. It feels and looks so much like our hair. I can't stop looking at it. It looks so good. I really hope that you all enjoyed this video. Be sure to check the description box for the link and all the specifications to this unit. Myfirstwigs did a phenomenal job with this unit. Like, so phenomenal. I'm in love with it. It looks really good. I look forward to your comments and feedback. Be sure to like, subscribe, and also turn on your notifications if you haven't already. I will see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.